Hey guys, here is Marcelo from Rev Apps, and today I'm gonna show you how to see your events in your Google Analytics. Go to Behavior, Events, Overview. Here you can see all your events. First of all, select the date you want. I will select 29, and will show to me all the events I have for this period of time. The Revy Booster events will be of category Revy Booster, and the events will be add to cart. So as you can see, I have 4 events today. Another thing you can do is check your events in real time. So you can go to real time, events, and here will show to you who in real time have these events. Here is just me in the moment. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and any questions, let me know. Thanks.